What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie Rose, and on my channel I post videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness, health, just about anything. So if you're new, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you have been watching my most recent videos, you know that I have been on a cleaning and organization kick for the past 2 months. I've cleaned my whole apartment. I did a bathroom organization video. I did a closet organization video. I did my bedroom makeover. So now I am going to tackle my kitchen. I think this is the last room or area of my apartment that I haven't really done much with or haven't done a dedicated video to. And a few of you did suggest that I organize my kitchen, so that's what this video is going to be today. I bought a ton of stuff on Amazon, a bunch of organizational things and things that'll help me organize my kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this is gonna be my little Amazon organizational haul and my Amazon favorites, Amazon kitchen favorites, I guess. And then I'm going to go ahead and organize my pantry and show you guys that whole process so you can get a good idea of what I'm going to be using these organizational things for. So I'll get right into the Amazon kitchen haul first, and right after that I will go ahead and organize my pantry. So stay tuned to see what I got and how I organize my pantry. First thing I'm really excited about because they are good for the environment. They're just really a nice way to store your food, and it's these reusable Ziploc bags. It came in a set of 12 for maybe $13, so $1 each, but they're really nice. They're really good quality, kind of frosted plastic, and it came in multiple sizes. So this is the very smallest one, and then it came in this medium one, and then it came in a big gallon bag. It came with 2 of the gallons, I believe, 5 of these, 5 of the medium ones and 5 of the small ones, I believe. I can't remember at the top of my head. But these have been really great at storing my produce. So my vegetables, whenever I make salads, I wash all my lettuce and I put my lettuce in the gallon bags. Whenever I chop up onions, I put them in here. Tomatoes, literally anything. I'm trying to stray away from the normal Ziploc bags just because it is such a waste of plastic. So yeah, these are amazing and so affordable. The next thing I am also very excited about, I think I'm just excited about everything because I love organizing. My spices and my spice cabinet are just all over the place. That cabinet is such a mess. I found this spice rack, and this is such an essential. I'm pretty sure everyone has one of these in their kitchen. I don't know what took me so long to get one, but what I like about this one is that it's bamboo and it's expandable, which is pretty much what sold me on it. I think it was around $20, which is pretty reasonable. So I'm really excited to finally organize my spices. So next I got this set of 4 acrylic containers, and I got these so I can organize my snacks better, because right now I only have one of these in my pantry, and that's where I put all my granola bars, and I really like how that is set up, but I just needed more. So this came in a set of 4, and it was I think $26, so not too bad. And I figured I can store all of my little granola bars, all my little small snacks, take them out of their boxes and store them in here. And I like how they're clear, they're acrylic, so that I can easily see all of my snacks. So I have here this rack, and this is kind of a multi-purpose item. I feel like you could do anything you really want with this. You could put this in your cabinet and stack plates and bowls on here, but you could probably also put it on your counter and put I don't know, a fruit bowl on here and stuff underneath. You could put your vitamins. I don't know, I feel like you could do a lot with it. The reason I bought this is for my mug cabinet. It's really cluttered. I don't know why, I've just been so addicted to buying mugs. I guess ever since I got my new espresso machine, I've just been on a mug kick. So I have a lot of coffee mugs, so I needed this to kind of make room in my cabinet. So now the next few things I'm gonna show are all containers for food. I got a lot of different ones. So the first set of containers that I got are these medium-sized cereal boxes. Came in a set of 6, and okay, so I actually thought these would be normal, large size cereal boxes, but then when I opened them up, I was like, the cereal's not all gonna fit in here. One box of cereal won't fit in this little thing. So I was gonna return it, but then I decided to keep them because I figured I could use these for my rice, my pancake mix, flour, sugar. So then after I got that set of 6 medium ones, I found these larger ones. This came in a set of 3 of them. So for a size comparison, so obviously these are bigger, and they're also a really cool style too. This one's kind of, a like snap-on. This one is like plastic. It's a little bit not as good quality as this one, but then again, for a set of 3 of these, this was like $50. It was very pricey, but I read the reviews and people said it was like worth the price because they last a long time and they're good quality. So you kind of just like flip them up like that, and then you could pour your cereal out. And then they also came with stickers and a marker, so you can write whatever it is. The next set of containers I got are for pastas. It came in a set of 2. I got these because I got another set that I'll show you guys next that came with only 1 pasta container, and I really wanted more because I have like different pastas. I picked up just these 2 extra ones, and these are really good quality as well. And I kind of like how they open. You like push it up like this, and then you can pull it, and then it's really easy to like open and close. You like lock it like that. This next set is another set of 6 containers, but they're all different sizes, all assorted sizes. So the first one is this pasta size one. So it only came with 1 pasta container, so that's why I bought those other 2 ones. Then it came with 2 medium ones, and then it came with 2 small ones, and then it came with 2 like extra small ones. And then again, the closure is like locked, so you can like lift it up and take it out, and then you lock it like that. So I like how like the lock and the, you know, fixtures are. Yeah, I plan on using this obviously for pasta. And then I have like pretzels I figured I could use these for. I have peanuts, pistachios that I figured I can put in these little ones. And then I also have like chocolate chips. So I don't know, I have a lot of foods that I know I can put in these containers. So I'm gonna just have to like look at all the food that I have and like figure out which container I want to use and like make it that designated foods container. So that's it for the haul portion of the video. Now stay tuned for the organizing portion of the video. Before I organize my pantry, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like pre-organization, just so you guys get an idea of what I'm dealing with and what I'm trying to organize. All right, so here's my main pantry with all of my like food, and yeah, it's just so crowded. It's just so much stuff. So this is the crate I was talking about. That has been very helpful. I put a lot of stuff in here, so you know, that's why I got those other ones. But yeah, here's what it looks like before. And then down there, that's usually where I have water bottles, but I don't have any right now because I'm trying not to use them right now. So anyway, I have like flour down there. But yeah, that's all my food. Oh, I'm also gonna show you my spice cabinet so you can see what that looks like before I put that spice rack in. Eek! This is like the main thing we're gonna tackle. I'm gonna put the rack here, and then I'm gonna put all my spices on there. So I'll show you guys what that looks like later. Alright guys, so here is the end result. I put in the spice rack. I just had a little bit of room to extend it a little bit, so I love how it fit perfectly in there. And honestly, what a difference it made, you guys, since what it looked like before. So I put all the big ones in the back, and then I put all like the medium ones in the middle, and then I put like the ones with the same brand on here, so it looks kind of nice. And then up here I have my oils, my cooking sprays, my olive oil, avocado oil, and then in the back I have all of my sauces, so like my cocoa aminos, my stir fry, teriyaki. And on the top I don't have much, but it's just my cans, so like my tomato paste, tomato sauce, tuna. So that's kind of how I reorganized my spice cabinet. I think it definitely is a lot better than before. So next I'm going to do my mug cabinet. I'm going to put the little shelf in my mug cabinet, and we're gonna organize that. I have like all my clear mugs, all my like little like things for my smoothies, like all my coffee mugs, and then I have like a bunch of these little cappuccino mugs. I got this set recently from Amazon. Let's tackle this one now. This one shouldn't take too long. here's my mug cabinet now, and I didn't do too much, just put in that shelf, but it really did make a difference. I feel like I have a lot more space now. And then this shelf up here are my coffee mugs to go, and then all of my workout water bottles, and then my like little tumblers. I have like 2 of them. I don't really need, you know, to do much organization here because I don't really have that many. And then that's just like etc. I don't really have anything up there. So yes, this cabinet is now looking good. Even though I'm not organizing this cabinet, I just wanted to show it to you guys in case you were curious. But here are my plates and my bowls and my glasses. I don't have too many. I was actually thinking about getting another one of those little white stands that I put for my coffee mugs, like right here, so I can kind of separate these a little bit more. But honestly, I don't think I need it. I like how this organization is. And yeah, just in case you were curious, that's what my plates and bowls look like. All right, the time has now come for me to tackle my pantry. That is the biggest task on hand right now. I was saving it for last because I knew it was gonna take me the longest time. Here we go. You guys saw the preview of my pantry already. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, 4 hours later and I am finally done. I am so exhausted. Every time I do one of these organization videos, it always takes me hours and I'm just dead by the end of it. But I'm so happy I finally did it. I love how it turned out. It looks so amazing. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now and kind of how I organize it and like my thought process around it. So on the top here is where I put all of the containers just because I thought it would look best on this top shelf. And just so you know, it's easy for me to see and easy to reach. Here we have the chickpea pasta and the brown rice in these 2 small size containers. And then I have the 2 like extra small ones. They kind of match up to the medium one. I have my chocolate chips in here. I have my honey roasted peanuts. And then in the back corner, I have all of my pastas. They all turned out to fit really well in these containers. Then I have 3 of the medium sized cereal containers and I only used 3. The other 3 I did not use. And I think it just worked out fine because of how the rest of it fits in here. So I just have oatmeal flour and sugar, and these are the 3 that I use the most. So I wanted to put my rice in one of these, but I ended up having like way too much rice. I put my rice bag just down here because it is a lot of rice. It wouldn't fit in any container I buy, so I just ended up using these 3 for that. And then behind that we have all of my cereals, and these were a really good size. I liked how these looked. And yeah, I just really like how it turned out. For the size of my pantry, I think this worked out really well. Yeah, I love how it turned out, and I think it looks really sleek and just a lot more organized. So moving down to the second shelf, this is where all of my snacks are. So this is where I used all of the acrylic containers, and I tried to organize them by like what, you know, made sense. So here I have my like little movie theater container. I have like all my candies. So these candies are actually from Amazon, and these are like smart candies because it has only 3 grams of sugar and 80 calories per pouch. So it came like in a big pack. I love these. Then I have like M&Ms, I have Skittles, I have Blow Pops, like all my candy, then I have all my popcorn back here. And then behind that I have my little snackies, my like healthy snacks. So I have like plantain chips, kale, chickpeas, and then I have a couple bags of croutons, and then I have like another bag of like non-chips. This one in the front is a little bit random. These are the ones that I like just kind of wanted to throw in here. It doesn't really bother me as long as it's like kind of organized in some way. And this one back here is more of like my healthy stuff. So I have a bag of matcha, I have my like teas, my Teamy Skinny Tea, I have my green food, and then I have a C4 down there for pre-workout. I have my Justine's almond butter, then I have my PB2 peanut butter. And then here I have a couple bags of snacks. They obviously couldn't fit in this small little container, so you know, I'll just have my bags of chips there for now. And here was the container that I had previously. I had all my Chewy bars, and then I put all of my Nature Valley bars in here. I had the cardboard box of the Nature Valley, which is from Costco. You know how big those Costco boxes are. So I finally put them all there. And then in the corner I just have a couple boxes of like brownies that I can bake. And then I have these like little oatmeal cups for breakfast. They're really good. I like to make them in the morning for a quick breakfast. Again, with the small space I had, I tried to make do as much as I could, and I think it turned out pretty good. These 2 shelves are the ones that are really the most organized, and then for the 3rd shelf, I really didn't do much with this because these are kind of just things I didn't have a place for. So my bag of rice, which is just humongous and needs to stay there. My coffee, I don't really use these actually. Like I have my protein powders, which I don't use that much, maybe like once or twice a week. I have these waffle cones that I don't use like ever. And then I have like 2 unopened things of like mayonnaise and ranch. So it's not like totally organized, but it's just like my etc. shelf, I guess. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's definitely a major improvement from what it was last time. So yeah, there's my final organized pantry. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me organize my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I'll link everything that I mentioned in the description. Everything is from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.